Keeping your truck in top shape this spring is easier than ever with the best maintenance and cleaning products. From heavy-duty cleaners to engine care and tire maintenance tools, these essentials will keep your ride looking fresh and running smoothly. Whether you're tackling dirt after an off-road adventure or giving your truck a deep clean, we've rounded up the top-rated products to help you maintain your truck like a pro.
Top 10.
Truck beds get extremely dirty and they're used and abused. Let's be honest. If you do yard work at your house, or you go camping, or you do home projects, your truck bed gets used a ton and you get a lot of loose dirt and grime. But it's one thing to blast it out with a pressure washer, but it's a whole nother thing to bring back the color richness of your truck bed liner. Adams Polishes has a product called Bed Liner Restore that dresses your liner of your truck bed and makes it look back to new again. Now, when it comes to using Bed Liner Restore, you want to start by having a clean truck bed. So first things first, you need to clean it. Now, I personally like to use a product that we sell called citrus degreaser, okay? The citrus degreaser has a foaming agent to it, so you can use it out of your foam cannon, foam down your whole truck bed, and then we have a concrete cleaning brush that you scrub the embedded dirt and grime in your truck bed and bring it to the surface and then blast it out with your pressure washer. Using citrus degreaser ensures that you can use the foaming agent to lift the dirt and grime out of your truck bed, but if you have any grease or oil residue in your truck from maybe you go boating or you do mechanical work, the citrus degreaser will cut through that, and that's really the first step to getting your truck bed clean and ready for Bed Liner Restore. Now today we're working on more of a textured bed liner, like a rhino liner or bullet liner, which is what this is. So using a wash pad or using a towel on this bed liner, the towel or the wash pad will lint a ton. You don't want to do that. And that's why when you're cleaning this, you want to use our concrete cleaning brush. It's a stiff bristle brush that can scrub and lift the dirt out of the bed liner so it's easier to clean it. Okay, so after you've gotten your truck bed clean, it's time to...
Top 9.
Liner can be expensive when done at the shop. Save money and do it yourself with HERCULINER, the #1 original DIY bed liner kit. The HERCULINER gallon kit comes with a gallon of ready-to-apply HERCULINER, 2 rollers, 1 handle, a brush, scuff pad, and instructions. That's enough for a standard 6-foot bed, but if you're doing an extended 8-foot bed, you'll need an additional quart of HERCULINER. You'll need some additional items for the job: rags, xylene, gloves, a sander or sandpaper, painter's tape, and a paint tray. Step 1 is prepping the truck bed for application. This step is critical to achieve the strongest bond and maximize durability. Clean any debris out of the bed and give it a good wipe down with xylene or acetone to remove any oils or grease from the surface. Pop off any removable caps, covers, or trim you don't want coated. Use the tape to mask off the edges and plug any drain or bolt holes. For HERCULINER to properly adhere, you'll need to sand the bed until the glossy top coat is removed. We recommend a mouse or orbital sander with no higher than 100 grit sandpaper to quickly accomplish this. Use the included scuff pad to get any areas the sander couldn't reach. Wipe the bed down again with xylene or acetone. Now you're ready to apply the HERCULINER. Open up the can and mix the HERCULINER so the texture is even throughout. If you've got one, use a drill with a paint mixing attachment. Otherwise, hand mixing with a stir stick will work just as well. Use the included brush to dab HERCULINER into seams and corners. Now, let's get rolling. Working from the end closest to the cab, roll the first coat of HERCULINER onto the bed using nice even strokes. Occasionally mix the HERCULINER in the can or paint tray during application to make sure the texture doesn't settle to the bottom. Once you've finished the first coat, let it dry for 1 to 4 hours, or until it's no longer tacky. Now you're ready for the second coat. Start along the taped edges so they dry first, and the tape will be easier to remove. Then coat the rest of the bed to ensure it looks great, but more importantly for long-lasting protection. Remove the masking tape as soon as you're done with the second coat to avoid tearing and sticking. All that's left now is to let it dry. HERCULINER is ready for light use in 10 to 12 hours and fully cures in 24 hours. There you go. You just protected your truck with the #1 brand in do-it-yourself bed liners. At a fraction of the cost of having a liner installed, you've helped prolong the life of your vehicle.
Top 8. Top 7. Top 6. Top 5.
X. And now Rain-X protects more than just your windshield, against more than just rain. Rain-X Pro is the ultimate repellency for your whole car. Graphene shield technology coats your car's finish with a protective shine. And Cerami-X provides a long-lasting hydrophobic barrier on your windshield for clear visibility, so your car is ready for everything. Repel every element with new Rain-X Pro.
Top 4.
Safe, fast, automatic charging of any 12-volt lead-acid battery, whatever the temperature. Simply connect the MXS 5.0 to your battery, the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal, or a ground point on your vehicle's body. If your vehicle has dedicated charge points, follow the instruction in your vehicle's manual to find out how to connect a battery charger. The MXS 5.0 has inbuilt reverse polarity protection, so don't worry if you've got the clamps on the wrong way around. The clamps are also spark-free, so it won't matter if you accidentally touch them together. If your battery is hard to reach, you can permanently attach the supplied Connect eyelet M6 cables for quick connection to the MXS 5.0. Plug the MXS 5.0 into a power socket and the green power LED lights up to show you everything's working. If you're using the MXS 5.0 for the first time, it'll automatically default to normal mode. After that, it will always start up with the last mode you selected. So leave it in normal mode for normal 12-volt car or vehicle batteries. Press the mode button to change to AGM mode, which is the dedicated charging algorithm for AGM start-stop batteries. Press again for Recon mode, which will help restore your battery if it's out of condition. Or, if you're using the MXS 5.0 on a smaller battery like the one in a motorcycle, press the button again for small mode. Once you've selected the mode you want, the fully automatic charging process starts. Because the MXS 5.0 is a smart charger with temperature compensation, the award-winning technology automatically works out exactly what your battery needs. Each LED will now light up depending on where you are in the charging process, and when the 7th LED lights up, your battery will be fully charged. You can also leave the MXS 5.0 connected for long periods of time, where its dedicated maintenance stages will keep your battery in peak condition, so it's ready to go when you are. This is the C-Tech MXS 5.0. Thanks for watching.
Top 3. Top 2. Top 1.
Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.